Hey everybody, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Sherry Bali and I help women to lose weight, to stay fit and to really lead a healthy lifestyle. Now weight loss is not a goal, it is a lifestyle. Fitness is not a goal, it is a lifestyle. So if you're looking to lose weight and you have that goal of say 78 kgs, you don't stop there, right? After your weight loss goal is achieved, you want to stay fit and continue and carry on. So today I'm going to show you how to make flavored water for weight loss. Now, many of us have trouble having a glass of water. Now tell me, how many of you struggle with having a glass of water? Like either you forget or it's hard for you to have up to 3 liters of water in a day. Give me a number 1 in the comments below if you find it hard to have a glass of water. And give me a number 2 if you love having water throughout the day. I would love to hear from you all. Anybody watching, say hi in the comments below, guys. I would love to hear from you. And I'm here to help you, to give you lots of motivation, to stay fit. I'm here to give you lots of recipes so that you can just, stay healthy, eat healthy, drink healthy. Beautiful, so let's get started. So I have a jug of water right here. It's plain water. Sometimes it can be very boring to have a glass of water. So sometimes we can just use different flavors and make it very, very interesting. Now water is very, very underrated, guys, for weight loss. You know, we always say, stay away from processed food, stay away from junk food, stay away from this, stay away from that. But the number 1 thing that I think really, really helps in weight loss is water. That is how I have able to lose my weight through having lots of water. When I was breastfeeding my baby, my maternal nurse told me that have water every hour. It's good for breastfeeding, and it was very hard for me to remember to have water every single time, especially like, living in Melbourne. It's majority of time, it's quite cold. And I just put my alarm and have my glass of water, and it really helped me in weight loss. So here I have a jug, and the first thing that I have here is a strawberry. How many of you like a strawberry? Type strawberry in comments below. It's one of the fruits that my kids love, and even this water I'm making, my kids love this water because this would have strawberries in it. So all right, let's get started. So I'm going to just chop it off, like just a little bit of cutting them in a round fashion. So here we go. This goes into the jug. Can you see, guys? Can you see me? All right, great. So here we have this jug of water. All right, so I have another strawberry. I'm going to chop it off quickly and put this in water. So these goes 2 huge strawberries. Now, the next ingredient is a vegetable. Can you guess which one? Come on, guys, I love to interact with you. That's how it makes it so interesting. This is not a boring YouTube video where you're watching. This is a one-on-one conversation between you and me. And we can have so much of fun talking and just interacting together. So the second one here is a cucumber. So what I'm going to do is, I hope you can see here, I'm going to chop this into round slices here. And this flavored water has so many recipes, guys, but this is like, these ingredients are always in my house, so I really enjoy. And if you're living in a place where there are no strawberries, you can even use pineapple. Pineapple would taste great as well. It will add to the sweetness of the water. So here I have some cucumbers. I'm going to put this in this jug. I hope you guys can see me. All right, some more slices of cucumber. So here we go. All right. Lovely, guys. So the next ingredient here is a very, very important one. It's going to help your skin look good. It's going to kind of detox your body, and that is, any guesses? Type in the comments below, guys. Come on. Yes, it's lime. You guys are smart, right? Okay, so I'm going to just cut round slices here for lime. You can also use lemon, guys, but today in my house I had this lime, so I'm using lime. So here we go. I'm going to just cut like, can you guys see me? Okay, great. All right, I'm going to cut these round slices. Here we go. And I'm going to do one more actually. All right, so here we go. This lemon goes into the water. So here we have strawberries, we have cucumber, and we have lemon. And there's one more thing, a fresh herb from my garden. It is an organic herb. It's always there 12 months in a year in my garden. Any guesses which herb you're going to use here, guys? I would love to interact with you. Let's see what you guys type. So one herb from my garden, totally fresh, organic, into the lemon water. Bhavna says allergic to lime. Yep, skip the lime, Bhavna. That's completely fine if you're allergic to lime. All right, so what I have here is mint. Absolutely love this mint. This is fresh mint from my garden. It is organic mint, and this goes into the water. Let's put it this way. It just looks good. All right, here we go. And I'm going to put one more. You know why? Because the mint adds a very nice flavor to the water, and it will not be too pungent because we have so many other things in water as well. And so here we go. We have our flavored water for weight loss ready, and I aim to have this one jug, say approximately by mid-morning. I finish one jug. Around 12 o'clock I try to finish this, and this is my second jug of the day, and I was gonna make it, and I thought, why not just get you guys in and show you what I'm doing. So those of you who do not like water, this is going to help you to lose weight. Have this. And the best thing to do is, guys, just keep it around, say, at least 2 hours before you drink it. It's going to add to that flavor. And once this water is over, this can remain with you throughout the day. You can just add more water in it. So, you know, you can have that way drink more water. Also, I wanted to tell you, in our weight loss challenge, which is starting on Monday, I really motivate everybody to have at least 3 liters of water. There are women who have seen amazing results with just having up to 3 liters of water. And of course, there are many ways that you can flavor the water, but this one is my favorite because, you know, I always have these ingredients in my house. And especially the mint is from my garden. Lemons are always there. Love lemons. And of course, you know, I also give you a kind of foods that would help your skin, help your hair. And also we have like a semi-detox diet for 2 days that we follow. I know each of you can do this. Each of you can lose weight. Each of you have it in you to stay fit and to feel great, to feel strong about your body. And I would love to hold your hand and help you and give you the menu for weight loss, what to eat for your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. And of course, we have Indian, continental options. We have veg, non-veg options. And type info in the comments below, guys, if you want more information about the challenge. And I would love to help you. Registrations are closing very soon. So register your spot today. And I would love to help you guys. All right, great. Any kind of recipes you guys want me to, you know, do on this page, type in the comments below. I would love to give you different recipes, and I'm happy to do that for you guys. All right, guys, off for now, and I'm going to see you very soon. Type info in the comments below if you want the link, and also give me a number 1 if you find it hard to have water on a daily basis. Type 1 in the comments below. All the girls who are new to the page, type hi and new. I'll say especially hi to you guys. Off for now. Bye.